For this scramble, I see this yellow block right here, so I'm going to do yellow cross. I'm going to move this edge right here, so it's opposite. Move it down, then insert this last cross edge. Now, before I finish the cross, I'm going to insert this edge right here so that when I align the cross, it forms an X cross, like this. Next, I see this pair right here. Insert it into the back. Then I see this pair right here. Take it out and insert it into the back. Then lastly, this pair, separate, put it into the back. And I got this OLL, and then end perm. For this scramble, I'm going to do white cross. So I see these two right here, which I can insert into place by going like that. And then rotate, move this blue up, the bottom, move this, and then insert the orange last. First pair I see is this one and this one. So I'm going to pair them up in the back. Next I see this one and this one. So I'm going to pair them up in the front here. Next I saw these two right here. Pair them up. And lastly, these two. Then I got this OLL. What I'm going to do is just solve the edges. So that I might get a ZBLL case that I know. And in this case, it's just these two are adjacent, and this one's opposite of here, and then we have like a Z perm a pattern here. So hold it like this, and then just do anti-soon, U2, soon. For this scramble, I'm again going to do white cross. So first thing is move this green into the back like that, and then move the orange in, and all while this pair is being preserved. Move the orange, blue, and then red. So we got this pair already complete. I'm going to insert it into the back. Then right away this pair. Then rotate and solve this pair. And then lastly, this pair right here. Then we got this OLL. And then this PLL. For this scramble, I see all these white cross pieces right here. So what I'm going to do is D2. Move this red here to insert them at the same time. And then also have a pair right here. So I'm going to do U, D prime. Move this last cross piece and then align the cross. So insert this into the back. And I saw these two. Then immediately I don't see anything. So I'm going to rotate and I see this and this. And then I think I would solve it like this. And then separate these and pair this up. This COLL, I'm going to do that, and then I got a U-perm. For this scramble, I see these two, this one, and this one. So I'm going to move the red over so that they are aligned correctly, but opposite of their centers. I'm going to rotate, then solve these two, and then align the cross. First thing I see are these two pieces. I'm going to separate them, insert them, and at this, in one motion, insert this one as well into the back. And I see these two. Then these two. OLL and Y-perm. For this solve, I see white edges here, 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 and this pair right here. I don't know if I'll be able to preserve it, but I'll try. So what I think I will do is move this down and then go like that, this, the green down, red over, and then finish the cross. I'm going to rotate, do this pair that was preserved, that, and I saw this pair first, so I'll do that. And then nicely this pair is in a good position. Pair it up like that. And then lastly, this piece. OLL. And then apron. So I'm going to do white cross at this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece. I'm going to insert the yellow here, then do a D2, move the red over, and then insert these last two. And I saw these two right away, so I'm going to insert those into the back. I saw these two right here. Pair them up in the front. Then these two, separate them, pair them up. Now this case right here, and since you can either do this and then do sledgehammer, but since I see a line here, And we have this case right here. I can do something like this to get all edges oriented. So I have this COLL, just a standard OLL, and then this U-perm from the back. For this scramble, looks like a nice white cross. See this piece, this, and this. So I'm going to move the green here, insert blue, red, and green, and then do a U D prime, and solve the last cross piece. And it made this pair, which was nice. So insert that into the back. And I see these two. Going to pair them up, solve them, rotate, see these two. Now for this one, if I solve the pair like that, then I get no edges on top. So what I'm going to do is move it over here and pair it up like that so that I get two edges oriented.